Part 6. Why do we have peanut anaphylaxis? Humans were consuming peanut for so many years, and there was no such disease written in the textbooks before the year 2000, and after 2003, the anaphylaxis to peanut started. So we looked at what happened to peanut butter after 2000, and we identified that two emulsifiers. One of them is DATEM, diacetyl tartaric acid esters of mono-glycerides is added. The other one is soy lecithin, and soy lecithin and DATEM were included in the peanut butter in the year around 2000, and they are the most common peanut butter emulsifiers. And we can see that they are decreasing the epithelial barriers, and this is gut-on-a-chip. It's like a small organ and colon organoid-on-a-chip, like a colon in the chip, and we can see that these doses are significantly decreasing the epithelial barrier integrity, and very strong decrease we can see with 1 milligram per ml, which is 1 to 1,000, 4 milligram per ml, and also 0.24 milligram per ml, which is 1 to 4,000 dilution, are decreasing the epithelial barrier, which is something that we didn't want. Then we made a mouse experiment, and we fed the mouse once a week for 6 weeks, and here we see the effects of gastrointestinal inflammation. Since there is a rapid passage through the esophagus, the inflammatory genes are a little bit low. In the stomach, they increase. In the ileum, they increase. And in the colon, they are much more. And this is with soy lecithin. And we can see here IL-33, TNF, CCL17, and aryl hydrocarbon receptor, and an oxidative stress molecule, PRDX5. They are all increasing in response to soy lecithin. And here we can see gastrointestinal inflammation by DATEM, and these are the substances like tumor necrosis factor alpha, CCL17, aryl hydrocarbon receptor, again PRDX5 are increasing, and esophagus, stomach, and the inflammation increases in ileum, and much more inflammation in the colon by DATEM that is included in the peanut butter starting from the year 2000. And what is very interesting and exciting is that we have here two IgG and IgE induction data, and IgG is induced by soy lecithin, and we see here IgE is also induced by soy lecithin, total IgE. And this is a human study, and the DATEM stimulates with an IL-4 induced IgE, again 2 times more, and IL-4 induces IgE, which is very normal. This is the main cytokine to stimulate IgE, and here we can see a dose-dependent effect of DATEM in human PBMCs, increasing the IgE mRNA. So suggestions to avoid packaged and processed foods, additive and emulsifiers. Read labels carefully. Avoid most of the processed foods. Choose whole foods. Focus on fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and unprocessed proteins to minimize exposure to emulsifiers found in packaged items. Cook at home. Avoid colorants and sweeteners. Opt for natural alternatives.